My fellow Americans! Hello. Something horrible happened with yesterday's recording. I am very sad. But I think I fixed it. Activate the centrifuge. Yes. What the hell? Oh, I thought it was like just a shaft. Yeah, I recorded it. I think my computer was overwhelmed or something. And the audio was just complete ass. I mean, stuttering. I checked this one. I hope this one is good. You know, I'm feeling a little bit discouraged because of it. But we move along. Is what we do. Oh, man. It's stuttering here too. I went into the settings and I think I have fixed most of the issues. Right? So I disabled the Steam overlay. What is this? Oh, I know how to grab them. Yes. I just figured that out. Damn. Oh. Well, Mo, I did say Mo's, right? I think when loading in new areas, like, it's just unavoidable, honestly. Alright, let's see here. Ah, looking very good. I like it when there's no monsters around and I can just chill, man. And it's just a walking simulator, really. Open. Pick up 100 books. Who's putting bleach in their lockers, man? Okay, activate the centrifuge. The storage, don't mind if I do.
Confirmed.
Health bag. Grab it. Yes. Oh, you think I don't know? Huh. Alright, maybe I don't know. Oh! Still a joke right there. That's one bomb. Right there. How are we doing on ammo? Not bad. Could be doing better. But I think having 3 weapons really is helping with the ammo management situation here. Is that everything in the storage room? Oh, there's bands in the... Ooh, that's spooky. I decided I'm not gonna eat today. I know it's a weird segue. But I was thinking, right, like, everybody loves counting their calories. I love counting my calories. Except that I hate counting calories. Yeah. Right? Because it's a chore. And then I never know what the hell I'm doing. Text log. Let's see. Engineering deck. We'll say Fanny Hallow. More absences. Unitologist. Stupid ass name. Urges extension. Serious gaps. Okay, so everybody started like feeling bad. It is very Event Horizon coded. I'm loving it. Let's hope that the blood orgy doesn't show up. So nobody's coming. The captain died. Oh my god. Alright, well.
Clearance confirmed.
Fuck happened to the lights? And then we have those 2 bombs right there, which is good. Now, I do remember that I had a little bit of a node excess here. Yes, queen. Let's see. I think, you know, a little bit more HP wouldn't hurt nobody. I think that's what I'm gonna choose. Now, I haven't died a single time yet, so I'm very happy about that. And let's see if we can keep it up the whole time so I can prepare for the... Oh my god, look at my spine, it's sick. I can prepare for the impossible challenge. Where am I supposed to be going, man? Over here. Yeah, so counting calories is like a big chore for me. And I read like, what if you eat one day and then you don't eat the next day? Right, and then... alright. I'm gonna get this the moment they come. I'm just gonna be like, wow. I think if I run across the table, they shouldn't be able to get me. And then, you know what? I'm gonna set up 2 mines. One here. And then one here. Oh, and you wonder, how do I know they're coming? I know they're fucking coming, brother. No shot. This is not like a boss battle or whatever. Oh, ho, ho. What did I say?
Decontamination sequence activated.
Okay, hold your corner, hold your corner. Oh, maybe they won't be coming. Yeah, I'm just saying it for the YouTube show. You know they are, bro. Oh shit! Ha! Got you, bitch. Ah, fuck. Good cut, good cut. Okay, that's one. Oh fuck, where? Yes. Okay, that's two. What's the next one? Okay, hug that corner. Probably won't show up at the same spot. Okay, got up. Oh! Got off the limbs. Got off the limbs. Yes, there's more probably. Ah! Yo, this one is an incredible weapon. Oh my god. Okay, reload quickly. Oh my god.
Decontamination sequence complete. Thank you for your patience.
That was easier than I thought it would be. I don't want. Oh, fucking hell, bro. And it sounds so wet, too, man. Like, ooh. It sounds like whenever you have, like, you know, the worst type of diarrhea. Like, you feel like a little bit of your asshole is going out, too. I guess that was that. Hey, but I feel that one great. Look at me. Full health? I didn't even use the stasis. Although that guy did shoot me. I hate that they can shoot too. But they probably hate that I can shoot. So, it's... Ew. Schematics. Medium... Oh, so you can craft it now. That's pretty good. What the hell was I talking about? Oh yeah, so I really dislike having to... And I feel like I'm bad at counting calories too. Because like... You know, I use my fitness pal. And sometimes... people are really good at making like... Oh, like 16 grams of apple or whatever, right? And sometimes it's like one brownie. It's like, bro, I don't know how big you cut your fucking brownies, dude. And you know they're talking about the whole... Am I going there? No, I'm not going there. They're talking about the whole goddamn pan probably. And they just ate it. And it's like, oh, I didn't cut it. So it's one brownie. And it's like, alright, dude. Okay. Oh, fucking sparks. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, I got my butt on the stasis, dude. What is that? Bronze semiconductor. Yeah, right. I love that in Factorio, which I should play Factorio on YouTube. It's great. You can make like a chip, and it's iron and copper, and it's like, bro, both of those things conduct electricity. But you know. Oh, save station. Pop off, queen. Alright, let's save the game. Again, the stuttering is very bad, but it's a little bit less bad. Oh, we're in chapter 3. So a little bit less bad than last time. I mean, last time it was like nigh unplayable. Let me take a sip of water. Ah, yummy. Open. Clutch disengaged. Go over here. What? Ripper blades. Yo, we're doing great on Ripper. Okay, sorry, I was trying to reload everything. Because you never know, man.
Entering zero gravity.
Zero ground.
Warning. Centrifuge offline. Please attach
Okay, so
generator
those are the
modules manually.
generator motors. Let me just catch my bearings real quick. My bearings. They're gone. Activate the centrifuge. Alright. Ugh, that shit looks gross too. I wish there was a way to move up and down too, like space and control. Instead of having to move like... Yeah, where are you? Oh, fuck. Instead of having to move the camera. My god. Oh wait, I need to use a bomb. Yes. Where are you, bitch? Oh. I lost it. I lost it. Alright. Alright, now it's... Yes. Oh! 3-pointer. Okay. Oh, hey. Oh, that's the... I was like, oh, that ammo just spawned next to me. Pop off, queen. Let's see what's over here. Elevator. Some oxygen recharge. Do I need to mess with you? Attach clutch. Bro, I ain't know. Okay, maybe we need to slide that to the right? I guess that kind of would make sense. Actually, I'm gonna look at the controllers. Take off. Okay, Q and E to roll. 0G align. 0G align, what the hell does that mean? Oh! Oh, I need to keep it. Okay, you know what? That's kind of useful. Okay, so let's see. Bye. Yes! Engineer. Oh! Alright. Let me take a look at that hole. Looks like a regular hole. Maybe I need to do it again. Okay, I'm feeling like that is not the answer then. The game just messing with me? What is this? Plus minus. Okay. Am I stupid? Don't answer that. Let's see. Okay, so I'm in the right spot. Clutch disengage. Okay, so I know there's two clutches. Maybe I need to put in this one first, and the order matters. Alright. Okay. Well, I'm not a clutch expert. Let's see. Clutch is engaged. Huh, but it looks like the main piston is like improperly aligned, maybe? Does it look like that? Oh no. And then I'm gonna spend like an hour here and it's gonna be the worst content imaginable too, man. That's okay. Nobody gonna watch it anyway. Why can't I go up? Oh, well, you have a wallet maybe? Nope. Right, let me land a little bit. There are attached clutch generator modules to restart centrifuge. That's what I'm trying to do. Okay, what if I try doing it harder? Can I? I am confused. Now, okay, like my only thing that I can imagine, right, is that it needs to happen at the same time. If you remotely control, and may have it out remotely controlled, but why would it have that little thing? I don't see a button. Hey, that thing moved, didn't it? Wait, maybe I need to do it a bunch. What happens if I do it again? Okay, go. What? Go in. If I do that, does that move? That did not move it. Okay. Well, the end of the line. Maybe I need to move this thing. Right? Let's split up and look for clues, gang. Because this is the piston arm. This is the piston arm. Do I see anything here? Anything? Oh, so oxygen there. No instructions, though. Okay, so that's to move within the levels. I'm sorry, if you've already played it and you know what's up, this is probably very annoying. High voltage. Yeah, I believe that. Oh man, I know. I'm fucking stupid. Okay. I mean, let's try it, right? So the problem is that the glitch is spinning too fast, right? So what if I hit you with the slowdown? Oh, engineer!
Generator module attached.
Oh. I thought I hit. Ah! Where? Where are you? I hear them, but I don't see them. Huh. Maybe it's just the sounds. Oh! Right there. Alright. Huh, it didn't attack me, that's good. Okay. Well, figure that one out, my fellow Americans. I feel a little bit silly for not thinking about it sooner now. But oh, got it a little bit too close. My bad. I guess I don't know. Like, how are you supposed to do it if you're like a technician in the lab? No way they don't come now. So I'm gonna.
Generator module attached. Clutch engaged. All personnel.
This is gonna like blow up. I'm gonna be close to the oxygen just in case, and then hug a corner. Land. Oh no, wait! I need to restart it. Whoa! The best to ever do it, baby. Oh. It's not good.
Centrifuge activated. Re-establishing balance with tectonic load.
Okay. Well, that's good. Manually ignite the engines. How the hell am I supposed to do that? Okay. Use that. Alright. Let's hurry the frick up. I like that the audio is gone. I always thought it was weird in Star Wars that the laser sound if you're in space.
The centrifuge is back online. All that's left is restarting the engines, right? Ready when you are.
But I suppose like it would be, you know, a little bit boring. Ah! Well, that was my first death. Death by like mishap too. Oh man, that's so stupid. I guess it's also mega my fault. Alright. Hey, hit the little checkpoint because it knew. Ah, so silly, man. Okay. Well, that's the point of this one, right? To learn a little bit. I can't believe I didn't see it in the first
Looks like the centrifuge
spot.
is back online.
Okay.
All that's left is restarting the engines,
So it's
right?
only one arm.
Ready when you are.
So just go and hide in a little nook then. Go. Okay, get in the nook. And then go. Oh, fuck. Oh, go back. Oh! And then let it get hit. Oh, get fucked. And now I go. Okay. And then, oh, there's an oxygen. Fuck. There's an oxygen recharge here. Switch to this one because they're gonna be coming pretty close. Run. Come on, go faster, bro. Okay, then use this. There's gonna be one up top for sure. Oh, sit over. There's gonna be one up top for sure. Yes. Ah! Oh my god. Die, brother. $400. Grab his wallet. Okay. Unlocked. Open. Safe station. Safe. Cannot believe I got hit by an engine. I feel like so silly because we hadn't died so far, man. That sucks. Exiting vacuum. I hate vacuums, so does my dog. Alright, move back to plasma cutter, recharge. Oh, what the fuck? That's gross. Okay, weak spot. Weak spot. Weak spot. Weak spot. Weak spot. God damn, dude. Made of tungsten. Yes. Okay. Ugh. Ugh. It's gross. It looks like something that would be tasty in a Korean barbecue, but in this context, it does not look tasty. Anyway. Oh my god, look at my suit, it's ass. I feel like at least, you know, I don't have any skin exposed because you would get like super AIDS so quick. Again, nothing wrong with having AIDS, you know, it's bad for your health. Somebody put their... Crazy to put your boots on the top partition of the locker instead of putting them on the bottom partition of the locker, isn't it? Like, I feel like that's insane, because then they have like the dirt and shit or whatever, and then that's gonna be like... That's crazy. I mean, to each their own, I guess. Oh, there's gonna be some more here. Oh. Maybe not. Maybe I was wrong. Nothing here. Sorry that I'm using the thing so much, but you know. What can you do? It's a control room. To control. It's supposed to be going up? Yes. Ah! Nice, 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 nice. Hey, I like that, like the bloods just left. That's good. I'm ready for whoever comes, bro. Crick. It's crazy that my knees are so bad. I always think I wish I had good knees, and I don't have good knees, right? And like, you know, it's always like, oh, intelligent design. Imagine you're designing this and you're like, I'm gonna give them real stupid.
Got it. Isaac, fuel storage is unlocked. It'll give you access to the
yes,
engine
Queen.
chamber.
Yes. All right. Save real quick before the fucking gum monster or whatever attacked me, dude. Create a new save. And then now you're gonna hear me take a little sip of water. I'm drinking water ASMR. Is this the control room? Oh, primary engine. Oh, look, it's like a little. Okay, where am I supposed to be going then? Okay, isn't there a shop here though? Let me just, because I do remember that I got a lot of wallets. So let's just check it out real quick. Schematics purchased. Item. Ricochet. Tracer. What the hell do I want that for? What's that do? I guess it's just so you know how the ricochet is gonna look. These look good. We can sell the semiconductor. That's what I'm thinking. 2,000 bucks. Sell. It would not be crazy to sell this too, but you know, I don't want to run into. We could buy that. Yes. What is this? Heat accumulator. You know what? I think I am going to get the power node. Oh, yeah. How many do you want? It's like piece of shit. Hack it, bro. Hack it. Maybe give it 1,000. All right. Okay, let's go do that. Trusty plasma cutter. Change to horizontal, like the 4 eyes. Oh, haha. Just joking. Warning. Skull. I like the nuclear, like, oh, you're gross. Like the nuclear logo always.
Entering zero.
Get the hell out of here, man. Okay, at least I can breathe. Because it is proper
Hey,
spooky.
Hammond. I cracked the secure files. DC was here for more than just a mining claim, huh?
Oh, what were they, dude?
This outbreak started on the colony after the miners dug up some artifacts. Something alien.
That's impossible.
But it would explain why Aegis 7 is meant to be off limits, right? Earth God's orders. When the miners found the artifact, they reported hallucinations, paranoia, suicides.
Oh.
But the Ishimura brought this marker on board anyway. Like that was a plan.
Wait. The marker?
Okay, back up. Where's this marker now?
In cargo. All packaged up for delivery.
Whoa. Ah! Hahaha. Just joking. Then, what is here? I knew it was. I mean, everybody could tell it wasn't like alien reminder. Why would you put the reminder on the other side, dude? Say goodbye, cat. It's gonna be like turn off the lights and you can turn on the fan. Airlock. Oh well, I can turn off the fan for sure, right? And then I can just. Oh, what the hell? Where? Ooh. Come on. Oh. Ho ho, get good. Huh, didn't see that one coming, huh? Yeah. Yeah, best to ever do it, that's what they say. Press, land. Oh, it's easy too. I like that throwing ability. I like that's so nice. I wish the controls were a little bit, I don't know, more optimized for PC. They'd feel very like controller heavy. And I mean, I have the controller, right? I have a really nice controller that my girlfriend gave me. But for aiming games, I would prefer using the mouse just because I feel like the joystick is so. Oh. You know what? I am gonna shoot that. And I throw it from the minute. Alright. Wow, this is horrible noise. Oh my god. Hey, weapon upgrade. Flamethrower. Oh, mamacita. That means hello, good morning in Spanish. Damn. Rest in peace, brother. Wait, okay, so I need to upgrade it, don't I? I mean, put it on. That's the industrial saw. Firewall. Oh my god. Equip. Okay, so that's gonna be 4, right? It cannot be used in environments without oxygen. That makes sense. They were using it like at work. Okay, well, the next fucker that comes in is getting the Vietnam special, which I know is very sad about what happened. I'm just saying. Okay, loading screen, and then some arms gonna like come me and start like touching me and like slithering all over me. And it's gonna be like all wet and shit. Gross, bro, gross. Oh! Wow. Hey, that was one like shot of flamethrower. Very nice. You also get burned. What is that? Canister? Fuel? Yes. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna like stand here and let it load for a little bit. Is that number 3? Okay. Fire extinguisher. Oh, money. Money, money. Let's open this. Audio log. Alright, let's listen to it.
Engineering log. My last log. Temple reporting. I can't raise anyone on Riglink. I think my team is gone.
Oh.
I found the kinesis module that someone used to bust the centrifuge. Burned out. Who would sabotage the Ishimura at a time like this? I'll report to the bridge, if anyone's left. And then I'm finding Elizabeth and getting us the hell off this ship.
Oh, okay. I kind of always thought, like, you know, equipment failure because of all the structural damage. But I guess somebody, like, fucked with it on purpose. But I mean, everybody was sick with, like, the suicide bug, right? So you cannot really blame them. Where am I supposed to be going? Oh. Ugh. Oh, what the fuck? So gross. Is there more cool stuff in here? Rip-up blades. Let's see what we can have. Again, I know I said, like, oh, the plasma cutter, my baby. But the plasma cutter has been kind of, like, you know, letting us down lately. The Ripper's been insanely good. But I digress. I mean, you can... What happens if I turn this shit off? Oh, $5,000. What the size? That's stasis size. Size, air, and then stasis. I don't think it's worth reading the suit anymore. But the Ripper for some damage. Yes. And then... What is SP2? Raid link. You know what? Let's dance with the one that brought us, man. Alright. That's working out. Report all injuries at once. World's ugliest fingers. Which is fine. Oh. Oh, it's like a little chest thing. I like chests, like, as a concept. Where are we going? Manually hit. Oh, I'm gonna ignite the engines, alright. Ooh. Okay. That causes everything to explode. That's good. Oh. What's that sound for? Ah! Little. They're kind of cute, but also. Oh. Aw, it's little rats. Look at him. Oh, okay. I did press the shoot button, bro. It just didn't let me. How you doing, brother? Nah. Give me your wallet. I'm so sorry. Give me your wallet. He had nothing. Well, sometimes you eat the cookie, sometimes the cookie eats you, brother. Rest in peace, sis. Ah! Fuck me, hell. Okay, so it's not as good against like the walking ones, but everything that's wall or like the little cute ones. Like, I mean, look at him, you know. Look at him. I could keep them in a little tank in your house and be like, and there we go, or whatever. Let's go down. Okay, so this is boss battle for sure. 14 favors of old. Ah! What the fuck is that? Bro, shit. Ah! Okay, run away. Where can I run? Oh. Not so cute now, huh? Okay, reload. Gross. I'm gonna start getting rid of all this shit. That guy was nasty. At least he was you know, on the rich side. Okay, supply room. Let's check it out. Oh. I'm sorry, dude. They remind me of like the boss from Call of Duty World War II. You know, when you did the Easter egg and then like the fucked up guy would come. I remember I would like I love that game, but you would try to do the Easter egg and the game would fucking crash every time. Like, and I wasn't even playing like multiplayer or anything. Pick up. Oh, don't mind if I do. Bro, you don't have to yell every time you stomp. It's a bug. Unlock. So you would try to play it and like, you know, we would get super like just joking. Super deep into it. Oh, that was the wrong button. Oh. Alright. I do feel stupid, but that's okay. Anything cool here? Ah, I fucking saw it coming too. Yo, Plasma Cutter didn't let us down though. Give me your arm. Nope, I hit F. And then the next item comes getting fucking impaled, dude. Impaled, I tell you. Where are you? Oh. Hold it. Right there. Oh. Haha, easy peasy, bro. Easy pee. PP. My PP is easy. I have the easiest PP. Oh. Earthquake. San Andreas fault.
Planetfall imminent.
Bro, I'm
Correct
on
course
it,
immediately.
damn. How about you fucking reset the engine, dude? It's always Isaac, do this, Isaac, do that, but never, hey Isaac, how's it going? How are you feeling? Huh? Fucking whore. Yum. Okay, so that looks like the engine. And what is this then? Control room. So, the engine. Oh shit. Alright, I'm gonna do this and then open. Oh! It worked out great though. Okay, back to you. Actually, I'm gonna do this, and if they're really close, I pop them with a blade. Ah, I pressed the wrong button. Okay. Come at me, bro. Oh shit. Step back.
Warning. Engine power failure. Replace power cell to begin
Oh my god.
ignition sequence.
Turn off the fucking computer, dude. It's like Siri, but annoying. I guess it's like Siri. Let's see, $100. Pretty good stuff. Oh! Ooh. What the hell? Ooh, gross. Oh. Run away. Oh, run away. Okay. Grab that.
Engine power failure.
Oh!
Replace power cell to begin ignition sequence.
I'm on it, dude. You can just stop jump scaring me. I can get to it though. What the fuck? Where? Stomp on it. Are they all dead? I wanna grab this though.
Warning. Engine power failure.
God.
Replace power cell to begin ignition sequence.
Okay, there's gonna be one of the thing. gonna blast it with... Oh, there wasn't. Okay. Hack. Power required to restart engine. What?
Warning. Engine power failure. Replace power cell to begin ignition sequence.
Power cell. Alright, I can do that. I can do that. Ooh, note, a little note. Oh, $100. I mean, that's not a lot. I'm not trying to be toxic, like, you know what I mean, for the game. Large medium pack, that's very good. Oh, so can I grab it? No, I can maybe pop a small.
Warning. Engine power failure.
What the hell is
Replace
this?
power cell to begin
I can
ignition
pop you.
sequence.
Yes. Right, and then I have a little bit of space. And we can go to the store and sell everything else. Okay, power cell. This looks power celly. But where? Oh wait, this one's working. So then, this is the one that needs one.
Engine power failure.
So I just need to
Replace
find the power cell.
to
Oh,
begin ignition sequence.
The best to ever do it. Get in there.
Ignition sequence initiated. Please stand
Now
by.
this shit starts, and then like 5 of them are gonna show up. Ah! It's running! I am under the what? What? Just 2? Oh! Ho, ho, ho. Stand up again. I have 4 limbs over here. Ah!
Priming ignition chamber. Please stand by.
Oh, fuck. Ah! Okay, switch to blade. Start cutting. Switch to blade. Start cutting. Ah! Switch to blade. Oh my god, there's so many.
Finalizing pre-ignition check. Stand clear.
Ah! It came on me.
Engines ready. Please confirm ignition order.
Jesus Christ. So, like, they were just hanging around waiting for me to restart the engine, too, man. What the fuck is this? Piece of shit. Oh. They're so toxic. And now I mean, like, the caustic way. I mean, like, the emotional way. Jesus. Alright, where we go? Oh, here. So, under the switch.
Engines ready. Please confirm ignition order.
Bro. Why doesn't it just do it automatically? Except. Yes, yes! What the fuck? That's a lot of red. Ah, it's Jesus! It's Jesus Christ! Bro, I should probably get out here, right? Yeah, no, I'm gonna get like super cancer just from looking at this shit. Alright. Oh my god! My eyes, they're burning. Unlock. Yo,
Isaac, you did it.
my
The
boy.
is moving again.
No thanks to whoever sabotaged the fuck out of these engines.
Yeah,
You bought us time to figure it out. Autopilot's taking us into geostationary orbit.
geostationary.
You're flying us through the planet crack debris?
That's what the asteroid defense system is for.
But the ADS is
Ugh.
off. I've got the system readouts here.
Hammond, the Ishimura's in rough shape. A couple of bad strikes could finish her off.
Shit.
This fucking guy couldn't read the fucking
Daniels,
reports before.
Email the data you have. I'll try to adjust course. Isaac, you disable the tram lockdown from engineering. I'll open up the bridge station. Meet me there. We need to work on this together.
Aye, aye, Captain. Oh, that's a nice burp for you. Okay, this seems like a good spot to finish for tonight. I hope you liked it. I know I was very scared, but I feel like I'm getting a lot better at healing these sons of bitches. So, thank you for tuning in and see you next time.